Lots of meticulous detail, every line, every shadow. This is a blueprint for my next big oil painting, but right now it's just charcoal dust, barely clinging to the canvas. One wrong move, one brush stroke, and all of this could be instantly ruined. Today we're going to make sure that doesn't happen. I've linked this fixative below. It's an Amazon affiliate link, which means I may earn a small commission if you buy it. It helps support the channel. It's called Workable Fixative by Krylon. It's like a miracle worker. I'm just going to go ahead and spray the fixative on here. Now I'm going to go left to right, from top to bottom, and then I'm going to go back vertical. I'm going to shake it up really good. Put a thin coat on it. Take a can of Fixative, turn it upside down. You want to spray it out until there's nothing coming out of it, and it unclogs the head to make sure that it doesn't get clogged. Alright, now we're back inside. So I went ahead and let this dry, and now you can tell the charcoal doesn't smudge anymore, which is awesome. And there's one good reason why, and it's my favorite stuff. It's called Workable Fixative by Krylon. It's like a miracle worker. So anyway, it makes it so I don't have to worry about redoing this nice charcoal drawing and all that good stuff all over again. I don't have to worry about smearing. And now, because it's workable fixative, I can go ahead and start painting right over top. Now if it's a regular fixative or a sealant, it's going to be more like an acrylic base, varnish, different story. You don't want to work with this yet. You want to do that after the fact. Unless you totally want to seal it and you're totally done. In this case, we just started. So let's go with the Workable Fixative by Krylon. That is your magic fix.